What's going on today, whānau? Cranking some mulch and some soil and some sawdust and stuff into the garden. I'm going to build up them layers because as I've said in the past, I'm working with a no-dig permaculture layout. So effectively that means it's just a self-composting system that you just add in nutrients, add in more soil, mulch, shells, you know, you name it, etc, etc, and just slowly build up. And yeah, it creates a beautiful just naturally organic system. So and it also works really well when you utilize things like companion planting. So you know, herbs and flowers and veggies all working together in unison to keep away bugs, disease, what have you. So today what we're going to be doing is putting together some compost and some topsoil, so stick around. Alrighty, so I've set us up here. Whether it stays at the angle or not is a different story. We'll check. Good? Right. Right, first thing we're going to do is get some of this goodness. Probably would help if I actually got a shovel, but we'll see. What a rookie mistake. Might try that one again. Okay, so the past several videos haven't worked because the camera angle's bloody all over the place, so I think this one works alright. Bear with me and I'll show you how to put together a topsoil. Right, step one, actually having a shovel, and a wheelie bin does help. Now, what we want to do with this mixture, right, is around about a 60-40 mix. Let's go and load up. Try and get out any weeds while we're here. Most of it's alright though. And then the sawdust. Because what sawdust does is it helps fix the carbon into the soil, which helps the plants grow very well. So, put together the mixture. And then we'll turn it. Using the pitchfork probably a bit easier. And just like that, whānau, we have a beautiful start to some gardeny big goodness. Now, next step is to take, bear with me here, is to take said goodness, look at that fluffiness, so good, and then start layering down here into the gardens just to fill them up. As you can see, I've already done one load just to give you an idea of what it does look like. This is celery, so this is going to do really well with this extra top layer. Lavender as well, getting a nice coating. And then we've got calendulas, lobelias, these blue ones. I've got pansies down here. I've got rosemary, I've got carrots, need more carrots though, and yeah, cabbages and collies, but they need to, as I say, be built up. And yeah, it's a slow process doing a garden, but it's really fulfilling for the soul. I recommend everybody get into it where they can, what space you've got and some decent sunlight, you know, throw down some cardboard, kill the weeds and put some soil on top and go hard, you know. What are we here to do but you know, connect with our world, I suppose. Which is ironic because sometimes I get asked, what planet are you on? I'm like, this one, and it suits me pretty damn fine, I must say. Anyway, I'm going to carry on with this, and that's my update for the day, and I'll see you again for another gardening day tomorrow. Much love, fam. Stay blessed. Kia ora whānau. Last check-in for the day. Second garden bed, which was needing a bunch of love, is now looking real nice. Now we're on to this one. Yay, how exciting. Growth, 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 growth. Happy days, my friends.